Tired of your Bootstrap Carousel taking over the screen with its incessant auto-sliding? Let's take back control. By default, Bootstrap Carousels are set to rotate through their slides automatically. This can be great for catching attention, but it often means users miss key information or struggle to interact with the content. The solution is surprisingly simple and involves a single, crucial attribute you need to add or modify in your carousel's HTML. Locate the main div element that serves as your carousel's container. It's usually the one with the carousel class and an id attribute. You'll find an attribute called DataBstride, which is typically set to carousel to disable the automatic sliding. You simply need to remove this attribute entirely from that container div. No need to replace it with anything. Just delete it. Once you've removed that attribute, save your changes and refresh your web page. You'll immediately notice that your carousel no longer slides automatically. Now, users can engage with your content at their own pace. They have the power to navigate through the slides using the previous and next navigation buttons, giving them complete manual control. This small change significantly improves user experience by preventing frustration and allowing users to absorb your content without being rushed. It's a fundamental step in building more accessible and user-friendly web interfaces. So, there you have it, a quick and easy way to stop that auto-sliding madness. Happy coding! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more web development tips.